Hi everybody, today we will do a rabbit embellishment to put on your little slippers, your blankie, or your hat. It's very simple. You just have to cast on your machine like you do usually, one in the front and one in the back. I use 2 strings of yarn because that's the yarn I have at home. So I open the yarn feeder, put one down, and the other one will be on the top of the yarn feeder. So that way will keep my yarn to get to the machine correctly and not getting stuck when I crank it. So I will crank like this till I get 20 rows. I did 20 rows because my yarn is very thin. If you have a thicker yarn, maybe use 15 or 18 rows instead of 20, could be better. So I did the 20 rows. Time to remove it from the machine. I will cut the yarn and then cast off with my yarn, my wool needle. I will crank the machine to release all the stitches from it, and I will grab the next stitch after the tail of my yarn. If you grab that one, you will end up with a hole in your work. So I grab it stitch by stitch like that till I get to the other end of it. You could use that project to it's like a little bit like applique. In French we said applique. In English I think it's embellishment. If it's not that, tell me in the comment. Nothing I can change on the video, but maybe on the title I will change it if I'm wrong with the title. So I close 1, 2 by pulling on the string like this and attach it with the yarn needle. Be careful not to get everything jammed in one side, so that's why I always like use my finger to adjust it. So I will grab the stitches like that, make sure the hole is very close and tight. There, double knot, and then I will flat my tube by creating a circle. So I join in the middle both yarn and attach it to keep it from dropping. So I will cut one side now and I did in the double layer. There, all I need is one string. Okay. I will hide this little one. Now, time to create the rabbit's head or bunny embellishment, rabbit embellishment, bunny applique, I don't know. Anyways, it's gonna be cute. So I go grab in the middle and again go to the middle the other side. Need to be tight. I will try to divide it to have the same size of ears. So I decided to do a little rabbit, but if you'd like, you could do a bear with that same project, or a rabbit. Imagine if you put the green yarn and 2 big eyes in those little ears. Could be a little froggy and cute. Use your imagination. So I will attach it very tight in the back, and I will come back with the eyes and the mouth. I start with the mouth I'm not really good to make face on a knitting project, but I will try to do something. I'm sure you're better than me with that bird. So we'll go there. I'm going a little V, but still I'm not sure if I like it or not, but I will try. So V, I will not attach it in the back for now because I'm not sure. I will grab some blue yarn that I have left from another project to do the eyes. Those eyes will be nice because the yarn is thin, so it will make a nicer eye. There, I like it. I will do the same thing the other side. I still don't like the mouth. There. I will pull on those ears after to give them rabbit ears shape. So I remove the mouth and I will try again. I end up always making the same. It's very short little piece of yarn. I will keep it with my finger twice like this, pass through the middle, and do like a little V, like I always do, and come back to the nose, and I will attach it in the back. So that's it for that little bunny. So I will attach it, and you could attach it on slippers, on blanket, on a little hat. Kids will love it for Easter or even anytime during winter time. Could also put that on headband, the headband that I used to have a big it on the beginning of the winter. Could be cute on the side. So you attach it on your hat, and voila, it's cute. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, and thank you very much for watching all my video. I really